Did you know that the stop and start technique can significantly improve your timing when it comes to intimacy? It's actually been proven by multiple scientific studies. But do you know how to do it the right way? Well, today I'm going to break it down for you. If you feel like your timing is off and it's leaving you or your partner feeling unsatisfied, this video is exactly what you need. First, let's bust a huge myth. Men who deal with premature ejaculation, or early discharge, often start rushing through the process because they get anxious. They're terrified of finishing before they actually want to. But you might be surprised to hear that in 90% of cases, early discharge isn't a medical issue, it's psychological. It's simply the result of anxiety and overexcitement. The most effective and proven way to overcome this is the start and stop technique. So, how do you actually do it? Listen closely. When you're getting intimate with your partner and you start feeling like your arousal is peaking, like you're right on the edge of finishing, just stop right there. Along with this, you can use the squeeze method. This means that when you feel the climax approaching, gently squeeze the base of your anatomy using your thumb and fingers. Doing this physically interrupts that signal going to your brain. After stopping, count from 1 to 10 to help calm your mind. If you need a little more distraction, you can even start counting backward from 100. Pause for about 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you can shift your focus to foreplay or other activities. Once you feel your arousal levels return to normal, you can start again. By incorporating these short breaks as you go, your timing will naturally start to improve. If your doctor has already cleared you of any underlying medical issues, it really just comes down to learning how to calm your mind. The start and stop technique, the squeeze method, and backward counting, when you combine these three, you can easily overcome this challenge. If you found this information helpful, be sure to drop a like on the video and leave any questions you have in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.